Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving equations with distributive law. To understand the concept, first we'll see what the distributive law is and then solve the questions. Let's take for instance we give an expression a parentheses b plus c. Now as per the distributive law, this quantity a outside the parentheses is distributed among the quantities inside the parentheses. How we do is we first multiply a with b, that is a times b. This operator comes down as plus, then a is multiplied with c. This will be the application of the distributive law. That is, the quantity outside the parentheses is multiplied with the quantities inside the parentheses individually. Let's understand this concept with the help of the questions. Here we given 3 parentheses negative x plus 5 equals to 24. Now what we need to do is, as per the distributive law, 3 is first multiplied with negative x plus 3 is then multiplied with 5 equals 24. Now 3 times negative x is a negative 3x plus 3 times 5 is 15 equals 24. Now we have to solve the value of x. For that we subtract 15 from both sides first, and this strikes to 0. We have negative 3x equals to 24 minus 15 is a 9. To find out the value of x, we divide by negative 3 on both sides. This becomes 1. 9 divided by negative 3 is a negative 3. So the value of x equals negative 3 is the final answer. Can be seen in option B. Let's try the next question. Solve negative 3 parentheses 2x plus 2 equals negative 24. So we'll apply the distributive law, that is negative 3 is first multiplied with 2x plus negative 3 is then multiplied with 2 equals to negative 24. Negative 3 times 2x is a negative 6x plus negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6 equals negative 24. This is negative 6. A positive and multiplied with a negative is a negative 6 equals to negative 24. To find out the value of x, we first add 6 to both sides to make the negative 6 as 0. This becomes 0. Negative 6x equals to negative 18. Now to find out the value of x, we divide by negative 6 on both sides. This becomes 1. X equals to negative 18 divided by negative 6 is a positive 3. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option B. Let's look at the next question. Solve negative of negative x minus 1 equals to 0. Here we have just a negative sign outside the parentheses. This can be written as negative 1 times negative x minus 1 equals to 0. Now we'll apply the distributive law. Negative 1 times negative x, this is what has happened, minus negative 1 times 1 equals 0. Negative 1 times a negative x is a positive x, minus negative 1 times 1 is a negative 1 equals 0. Now x, a negative times negative is a positive. To find out the value of x, we subtract 1 from both sides. This becomes 0. X equals to 0 minus 1. So finally x equals to negative 1. This is the final answer. Can be seen in option D. I hope solving equations with distributive law is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.